Your Excellency, our father, our leader, that is undisputable. Although we know there are people who believe they just came out from the sky. But I'm happy that social media keeps records of our comments. So I would, in all emphasis, pronounce you our father and leader. As a matter of fact, the builder of this present dispensation politics. He laid the foundation. And I'm happy you're here with us. The powerful speaker. The only speaker that doesn't need too much number, but you have performing wonders. Oh, my deputy, sorry. My able lieutenant, happy that you're here with us too. The Chief Judge of our dear state and the President of the Customary Court of Appeal, our formal excellencies that are here, my own daddy, the former Deputy Governor, Sir Gabriel Toby, Chieftain Laikru, Right the Honorable Austin Okpara, your dear wife, our distinguished senators. I might not go in the proper order, but let me mention the one that is causing problem, the one that made them. But today, they say they are following because of contract. The only distinguished senator, John Mbata. Distinguished Senator Analabo Adawari Pepo. Distinguished Senator Lee, that doesn't allow me to rest. Dr. Sam Jaja. Our judges that are here, that has come to support us, the service commanders, head of industries, permanent secretaries, chairman of Rivers State Council of Traditional Ruler, the former chairman, my own Amayabo, and other royal fathers that are here. Our beautiful women, my secretary to the state government, my own son, the chief of staff, other members of the state executive council that are here, by the special grace of God, the 23 caretaker chairmen, you're here. So it means we are the one in charge. Other guests that are also here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Our chief host, the dean of the Anglican Communion, Bishop Enyindaya, and other bishops that are here, and other clergy that are also here. I recognize you especially. I want to say that we're happy that we are marking another Independence Day celebration in a few days. About this time last year, we were here, and a particular song was raised. A lot of you didn't know the spiritual meaning of that song. The song said, "From the beginning to the end, there is no place for argument. You are God and God by yourself." We just took it as normal church song. When we left here, God showed himself, and showed himself mightily. So I want to say that our marking this independence is very special to us. Special because we symbolize peace. And our prayer for this state is peace. And in extension, because of our peace, we strongly believe that things should be done right. And when it's done right, from here, Nigeria will get better. On this note, thank everyone, more especially our leaders. I had a reason for calling a few of you your names. Some of them who fell from the sky. They were washing cars in Senator Pata's house. Me, I never washed cars in anybody's house. I was a civil servant in Treasury before I joined this thing. But today, they are abusing them because of their stand. Please, sir, you're a very mature mind. Throw away the insults. You're bigger than it. And continue to stand for what is true. I hear they mentioned another name, few names. Which name is that? You're the name. That one is artificial name. Those are your name. The real name doesn't need introduction. It sells itself. So please, sir, just because of me, I know they are doing a lot. Just be patient and tolerate. Thank you, sir. Let me thank the security agencies again for supporting us. This state would have been destroyed if not for your role and being fair to us. I know you are passing through a difficult time, but God will see you through. We'll give you all the support to make sure you succeed. Those of them who did evil to us, Where are they today? One of them that is always wishing now. He calls me every day. I said, why are you calling me? Why are you not calling the people that were using him before? So please, continue to support us. Stand for the side of truth. Defend Rivers State. Protect the interests of Nigeria. We will not ask you for anything apart from that. The success of this state is the success of Nigeria. Rivers State is the one carrying Nigeria. So we cannot give them any opportunity to create any problem that will lead to the destruction of the state. I want to thank you again on behalf of the government. Thank every one of you and wish you a happy Independence Day in a few days. Thank you, and may God bless all of you.